This is my phone. I use it every single day. It accompanies me in every project that I have, and I use it a lot as a tool to be able to produce videos, to be able to have fun, and to be able to be a convenience to me about everything in my life. What if there was a company that made something, one thing that you could use, a system that you could use, and it take care of all your problems? Mobile by Peak Design is going to solve all of your problems. This is the everyday case. The everyday case provides low profile protection for your phone, and it will introduce you, and you can be able to use everything in the Peak Design mobile ecosystem. The case is made of slim 2.3 millimeter lightweight polycarbonate and wrapped in a distinctive nylon canvas fabric, and this fabric is the best I've ever felt on a case. It's phenomenal. See the pass through? The soft texture. Very nice. And this square locking mechanism on the back of the case is made of zirconia ceramic and surrounded by an array of magnets to give the slim lock loads of rigid holding power, yet adds zero thickness to the phone case. There is zero thickness to this iPhone 11 Pro case. But I have an Android V50. There is a solution. Enter my case. Smooth backing, slick finish, perfect for allowing a universal adapter to fit right on the back with no texture to interfere with adhesion. And now I've been introduced to the Peak Design mobile ecosystem. In order to mount this on the back of my phone case, it comes with a centering guide and alcohol wipes for my case. And now that the case has dried, we center the alignment guide, matching the numbers to the edge of the phone case. So now once you have the numbers centered on each side here, you may have to adjust this section up and down, but these numbers here, here, and here, here should match up, creating a perfect square for this adapter to go into. And once you do that, you just stick her down on there, let it sit a little bit, and take this off. Now you're good to go. Now let's introduce the mobile tripod. This is an ultra compact phone tripod that is very stable and can fully articulate on a ball head, and it comes super thin in this pouch. So let's see what this thing can actually do with your phone. And as we see here, here's a square, and this square will align into that square with the power of magnets. This leg will fold out like so. These will fold down. And because of that little ball head that's right in there, this will move and fully articulate into wherever we want this thing to go. And so as you can see, you can move this thing around and it will hold its position on this little ball mount down here, which is very nice. And also, this is portrait mode. Say you want to take this out of portrait mode and film something with the back camera, you can totally do that. And you can totally switch this around to a better stable position. If you have to film up, you can just turn this ball head around, film up with the main camera, or do whatever you want that will hold it a better position, because if you're filming down to the side, you would need that little kickstand to be in the front here. So you can spin this around however you want, and then when you're finished, it just completely folds up back into the back of the case like so. You can spin this around, carry it with you, put it in your back pocket. You've got a fully articulating tripod, which is smaller, fully metal, not plastic. It doesn't wrap around the case and get in the way of anything. This is a genius design. One of the things that could happen is this ball could lose its hold here and become too flimsy. They've summed this up by including the tool here to actually tighten this ball head down. So it will keep its shape and keep its form for years to come. All housed right here in the back. Nice and convenient. Good job, Peak Design. This is the wall mount. This is a low profile wall mount that holds your phone securely with magnets. Mount this to any flat surface in your home or workshop or wherever you might need to view tutorial things. God knows I do. But look, it just snaps right onto the back of your phone. You can view this anywhere. Now go, yay! Say, yeah, I did it! And just so you know, the adapter or the iPhone 11 Pro case itself is a magnet on the back. So if you don't need the wall mount sticker, that you have a magnetic surface that you can use, say a refrigerator, you can just stick your phone up. You don't need an adhesive wall mount. This is the car mount. This will stick anywhere on your dash, windshield, wherever, and of course, like all the rest, will stick right to the back of your phone to allow you to charge it from the bottom. This is a super stout ball here, and this is super stout adhesive. The entire system uses 3M adhesive. And this car mount is safe for all systems, so you can stick this anywhere, remove it, and it should not cause any damage. So I really like this for the car, because now it's just a snap to get this thing in and out, and it's not going to fall. Last and absolutely not least is the Bike Mount Pro. The Bike Mount Pro securely holds your phone in an optimized viewing position up and off the rail there. For professional cycling and stuff, if you want to get your information, you got to have your athletic information for your mileage and whatnot. This will help you out tremendously to be able to get this thing on and off in ease and not take up a lot of space. That's the problem I've had with a lot of bike mounts systems, is they just take up too much real estate. This locking magnetic slim link attachment system allows for easy no-look phone connection, so you can blindly slap this thing on and know it's completely secured by these discrete buttons that lock it in. You see the locking heads there? So whenever you get ready to take this off, it's seamless one motion. You can do that. You get the hex key to mount this with, and you also get a nice convenient GoPro mount, so you can actually mount a GoPro in with this system as well. And here's the different tube sizes there to make it this fit a universal bike. So that is cool that all this stuff comes with it. And of course the phone snaps in extremely easy, and this thing is locked in there. It's not coming off, period. But boom, seamless system. So in closing, we have a few samples of what this whole ecosystem will become. It will become extremely massive. But so make sure to go check out the link down in the YouTube description to this brand new Peak Design product called Mobile. This will give you all the accessories that you need to accomplish your goals in a day. It should be able to tackle every single thing that you need it to, seamless. You don't have to fiddle with plastic brackets, plastic mechanisms that breaks, stuff that you wrap your phone around into and stuff. Just slap this thing onto something and go. And I think they have achieved that system. We've got the iPhone 11 Pro case. This is one of the best feeling cases I've ever felt in my life. This fabric is very nice. And don't worry, because you'll get that fabric on everything in their ecosystem, just about it. You get 2 wall mount stickers here. This is the adapter for the back of your own personal phone, so you don't need the iPhone 11 Pro. This is the phone mount for the car. Works great. This is the bike mount. Works fantastic. And of course the tripod mount, which is great. It's such a great, solid design right here. And you get a carrying pouch. Nothing plastic about any of this. So you can leave this in your nice hot car and you're going to be good to go. So make sure to explode on that subscribe button and ding that bell so you get more products like this featured on this channel. Good job, Peak Design. See ya.